Here we go. Isa ito sa mga attraction dito sa Singapore Airport. So, if you are stuck or you have layover in Singapore, you will not be bored, no? Kasi ang dami mong pwedeng pasyalan dito sa airport mismo lang. So, ang laki ng airport dito sa Singapore at hindi ka maboboard kasi ang dami mong pwedeng ma-visit at very Instagrammable. Ito yung Koi Pond. Itong Koi Pond nila ay pinalibutan ng mga different kinds of orchids, no? Ito, tingnan ninyo, it's very beautiful talaga. Kala ko lang plastic, but I touched talaga sa mga garden, sa mga flowers and plants. It's all real. Sobrang nice, and then they're well taken care talaga nila. So, ang Singapore is named also as Garden City. A city and a country in one. So, it's very nice. Changi Airport, Singapore.